Hey, Midwest Picker here. This is a combination video. I might end up deleting this video. I don't even know what's going to happen, but if you're new to this channel, I apologize. I'll probably lose subscribers. I don't care. But my name's Dave. I'm an RN. I work full-time husband, father, part-time reseller, mostly eBay, but some Craigslist, some Macari, part-time YouTube content creator. I go live tonight. Today's actually Sunday, December 19, I think, or 20, I don't even know, right before Christmas, the Sunday before Christmas. Got Enoch, he's going crazy. He knows what's going to happen. You can't really see him really well. I got the camera angle a little bit different because, as you can see, we're doing something different today. So yeah, that's who I am. That's what I do. And I was inspired by Troy Mountain Man Treasure way back around Halloween. He took a tour of a haunted prison. It was a closed down former prison. It was supposedly haunted, and they do tours. And Troy was kind enough to do a tour with his camera. I don't know if he used a GoPro or his cell phone, but he took some great video. I'm going to link it down below. It's an awesome video. He had a great experience. And I'm not going to give away what happened or what didn't happen, but it was really, really cool. Very offbeat, very off subject of reselling. And he did a fantastic job. So kudos to him. And that kind of inspired me. So after I watched that video, I went online and I was looking on eBay and other sites for like ghost detecting equipment. You know, kind of like Ghostbusters-ish. And I found a website that actually sells a ghost detector or like a spirit detector. And I saved up my money, and it's really expensive. It's like $900, and it came in yesterday. And I thought, you know, I'm going to do something different. So I did use it on the house. It's got this antenna right here. It didn't really detect anything, no spirits, no ghost or anything. This is a pretty new house. It was built in the year 2000, so it didn't surprise me. But then I thought, you know what? Joey is getting more and more popular on my channel. He's getting more involved. He's getting more vocal. Some people would even say, you know, he's almost human. You know, we know he's not, but he has a personality. So I didn't want this ghost detector to go to waste, you know, since it didn't do anything. So I modified it. So if you've ever watched Home Improvement with Tim Allen, you know, he's always modifying stuff. So I took the wires off the antenna and attached these metal probes to them and stuck them in Joey's head. Now don't worry, he has no nerve endings. He doesn't feel pain, but he might have, I don't know, like a spirit or something. So I stuck these probes in his head from the antenna, and then I ran this wire. You can't really see it too well, but this wire goes all the way up to my cell phone into the earphone jack. So if everything works the way it should, and I looked this up online, I Googled it, if I turn this on, it should pick up anything in his head and record it here on my phone, and we'll have a video of what's in Joey's head. So as long as I don't blow a fuse, as long as I don't, you know, open up some portal, right, Enoch, and have like evil spirits. I don't think this works in reverse, but it should record whatever's in his head. And then if I'm still alive at the end, I'll do a what sold on eBay, which is like 5 or 6 items, not a big deal. All right, so let's turn on this device. I got it plugged into power, plugged into Joey, plugged into the phone. We're all plugged in. There we go. It's showing some numbers. Showing negative. I don't know. Okay, we're back. Wow, that was trippy. I didn't expect anything to happen. Did you? Did you feel anything? That was weird. I mean, really weird. I think we should try this again because what I saw on my phone was a lot of static, video going in and out. I don't know if it worked or not. Let's turn it on again. We'll do it one more time. There we go. Numbers are flying on the... Whoa. I gotta turn this thing off. Wow, that was weird. Joey, I had no idea you had those many ideas in your head. Is it cold in here? It got really cold all of a sudden. This chill came over the whole room. It's like the temperature dropped 10 degrees all of a sudden. Yeah, I'm not turning that thing back on. We're done. We're done doing this. Never again. All right, let's talk about what's sold on eBay. Enoch, bring up the pictures. The first item is this knife. Not a big sale. Sold for $7.95. My asking price. Cost of goods was $3. It shipped first class mail. This is just one of many knives I won on an online auction. What the Hales? They have an auction every Sunday night. I won a giant box of knives. I did really good. These are just a few that I have left. Some brand new in the box knives. So yeah, I've made my money back. I probably doubled my money since I won that original auction. Next item is this cup. I got this from a Goodwill, about 50 cents. It took a long time. It took over a year to sell it, but it did sell eventually for $8 plus priority mail shipping on top. I think this cup has to do with a wedding reception, something like that. So it's very niche-y and very slow to sell. Next one is really cool. This is from my secret honey hole thrift store. I saw this in the man cave section. These are halogen bulbs. I knew right away these had value because they're very expensive. If you go to the hardware store to buy these, they're not cheap. These sold for $17.95 plus first class shipping on top. I just remembered, I take that back. I did free first class shipping. I paid $1 for this. The reason I did first class shipping free is because there's a lot of competition. So if you're selling something and there's more than 100 or 200 or 300 on eBay, you might want to consider free shipping. It's not for everybody. You have to be very good at it. Shipping was like $3, no big deal. I still made good money. Last item are these coffee cups. They just took off. I don't know what's going on. If you watched my previous video, one lady bought 4 lots of 2 or 8 cups. Now this person bought 2 cups. They paid $19.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. My cost of goods is 50 cents a piece. So that's the video, guys. That's Joey's brain. I'm going to have to go back and watch the video. I don't know if you're going to see what I saw. Sometimes I didn't see anything. I just still don't know why it got so cold in here. And what's sold on eBay. So a combination video. I'll probably lose subscribers. That's okay. That's all right, you know. We got to have fun. And, you know, I paid $900 for this device. I got to use it for something. So maybe in another video, I'll connect these probes to Enoch and we'll see what's on his brain. Put down in the comments, do you want me to probe Enoch's brain, or have you had enough of this probing? Just let me know. Any questions on what sold? Any questions on how to list, how to source, how to ship? If you have those questions, put them down in the comments. You can email me. You just go to midwestpicker.com, connect to my email. It's also listed down below. And all those how-to videos are also linked down below. And check out Troy Mountain Man Treasure. If you're into scary videos or ghost videos or paranormal or supernatural, check out his channel. And that video. Troy's not supernatural, but you know what I mean. He's got that one video. And if you thought this video was cool, share it with your friends. There's a share button down there. You can share it, send it to your friends, send it to people you don't like and freak them out. I don't care what you do with it. But that's it. Any last? No. Joey doesn't talk when he's on camera, and I think he's a little embarrassed, so we'll let it go at that. We'll see you next time.